Yo guys, welcome back to another video. We got one key in the balance. Hopefully we can manage to cash out something. Last video didn't go so well. Okay, one more. No. What the fuck? No, we're losing everything on towers insta. Oh my day, bro, what the fuck? Nah. This is bullshit. Oh yeah, thanks man. I lost everything for this. It ain't. Oh! Shut the fuck up! I would have been a billionaire. Alright, let's do some 2%. See if we can start off with a nice little win from these shits. They never hit for me. 6 weeklies jackpot. Surely. Come on. No pulls. Lovely. So far, so horrible. So far, so bad. And that's not too great either. Wow, that's full. Alright. We might have some money going into this. Could be crazy. I don't know, that looks good. Oh my days, please. That's the first time I see such a big hit on here. Please, please. Please, purple. No. That was a 6k win almost. I'm doing that again. That's the first time I see such a big pull from that case. You gotta be shitting me. Oh my days, man. Why? Like, why? There it is. Nice, no one pulls now. This is brutal. Wow, 0 pulls this time. That's just fucked. There's a bomb, but it doesn't hit. Well, yeah. Watch us win now, like, dude, I swear, dude. That would be so bullshit. Okay, at least we lost either way. Another bad video, man. I know we've been getting lucky, but this is truly brutal. Let's just do this and hope for the best. Do it too crazy. It's basically all in. There's not much else to do than this. Boom. And we lost if that doesn't stay. Yeah, GG. Wow. How are we the only ones that fucking hit, man? It's 30% case to hit and we just all miss? Right, man. Nice. Hit that. Nice. Okay, it's just this Spectrum case is so bullshit, man. Like, I've opened 10s and I can't see a single hit on it. And we hit on Molotov. Wow. Why didn't I just do it normal or some shit? How would it be rich? Wow, this one is gonna be big. Yeah, that's gonna be big. Yeah. That's a lot. That's way too much. These fishing funds, I need to lower a cent. Come on. Please. Oh, wow. No way that was the only bomb. We would have had a comeback. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.